My name is Clark Beckham. I am a singer, songwriter, touring, recording artist guy, and more importantly, I'm a member of the advisory board for There With Care. I got connected with There With Care in 2018. I was asked just to come sing at a fundraiser event. That's all I knew about it. The more I looked into it, the more I realized just through the videos and the website that this was really something special. I got connected, I came out and I played, and when I actually was there in the room, hearing the testimonies of the different families, meeting Paula, meeting the organization, meeting the people, I quickly realized that this was something really, really, really special. And unlike anything I'd ever been around before. I've gotten to play a lot of fundraiser events and seen a lot of great nonprofit organizations, but this one just really stuck out to me. Boulder became my second home because of how much I love Paula and There With Care and everything that they were doing and the people I met there. And then now There With Care has come to my primary home, my first home, Nashville, which is an absolute dream come true. So the fact that I get to not just have There With Care close to me geographically, as it already is to my heart, but now that I get to participate and help, I'm so motivated to push There With Care through the Nashville community to get the resources it needs to do the good that it does. And the thing about There With Care that's so special, it's not just the good hearts of the people, the organization skills, the get it done mentality. On top of all of that, they're extremely effective in their strategy on how to best help families that are in need with children with critical illnesses. And I've watched that through the videos. I've seen that with families that come to events and families that I've talked to myself. And I couldn't be more proud to be a part of an organization like There With Care. They mean everything to me.
I'm so proud to be here with you from There With Care's newest location in Nashville, where we are serving families from across Tennessee. We are honored to receive referrals from our partners at the Monroe Carroll Jr. Children's Hospital at Vanderbilt and the Children's Hospital at TriStar Centennial. We are deeply grateful to our supporters who bring care to families in a year that continues to be so challenging. Our families are struggling and remain isolated to protect their immunocompromised children during treatment for a life-threatening illness. To each and every one of you, we say thank you for your care.